Boyle's Law. A student named Kieran was helping his uncle repair a bicycle at a small roadside repair shop. While fixing a tire, his uncle used a hand pump to fill air into the tube. Kieran watched closely as his uncle pushed the pump handle downward. Each time the handle was pushed, air moved into the tire, and the tire slowly became firm. Curious, Kieran picked up the pump and tried pressing the handle himself. As he pushed it down, he noticed something interesting. The air inside the pump seemed to become harder to push the more he compressed it. "Why does it become harder when I push the handle down?" Kieran asked. His uncle smiled and said, "Because you're squeezing the air into a smaller space." Kieran looked at the pump cylinder. When the handle was pulled up, the air inside had a large space to spread out. But when he pushed the handle down, the space became smaller, and the air inside felt more compressed. Later that day in physics class, Kieran told his teacher about the bicycle pump. The teacher explained that gases behave in a predictable way when their volume changes. When the volume of a gas decreases, the pressure of the gas increases. And when the volume increases, the pressure decreases as long as the temperature remains constant. This relationship between pressure and volume is known as Boyle's law. PV equals constant. The teacher explained that when Kieran pushed the pump handle downward, he reduced the volume of the air trapped inside the pump. Because the space became smaller, the air molecules collided more frequently with the walls of the pump, increasing the pressure. That increased pressure forced the air into the bicycle tire. Kieran realized that the simple hand pump he had used in the repair shop was actually demonstrating a fundamental principle of gas behavior. From bicycle pumps to scuba diving tanks and even the breathing process in our lungs, gases everywhere follow the same rule discovered centuries ago. That simple observation of squeezing air in a pump perfectly illustrated one of the fundamental laws of thermodynamics, Boyle's law. This story shows that when the volume of a gas decreases, its pressure increases, and when the volume increases, the pressure decreases, as long as the temperature remains constant. This relationship is explained by Boyle's law, which describes how the pressure and volume of a gas are inversely related.